Buffet Boy 85. But if you think you can humiliate me and take my gold, think again. Oh, I'm coming for you with lots of barbarians and dragons. I can't wait to destroy your village while you beg for mercy. But you will get no mercy. I will have my revenge.
Liam? I have a scone for Liam?
Over here. It's, Liam. You will regret the day you crossed Angry Neeson 52.
Angry